Are you at your heaviest weight ever? Maybe even more than your actual pregnancy weight, and nothing you try is working? Are you skipping meals, eating clean, and still watching your belly grow? Do you avoid mirrors, intimacy, or social events because you hate the way your body looks and feels? You're not alone. Most women I talk to are doing all the right things. They're eating less, cutting carbs, tracking macros, and still stuck. This isn't just body fat. This is menopause belly, and it works differently. If this is hitting home and you're ready for real answers, I offer a few free 15-minute clarity calls each week. We'll walk through what's going on with your body and map out your next best steps. The link is in the description, so you want to grab a spot before they book up. What most women don't realize is that the belly you're fighting isn't just about calories. It's hormonal and it's metabolic. It's living. When you eat less, fast too long, or skip meals, your gut bacteria change. Your blood sugar crashes. Your cortisol spikes. And your body gets in fat storage mode, especially around your belly. This isn't about willpower. It's about giving your body what it actually needs. This is when most women hit a wall. They say, I'm doing everything right and nothing's working. They start comparing themselves to their husbands who eat way more, lose faster, and feel like their body is broken. But it's not broken. You're just missing the right strategy built for your phase of life. One woman I worked with, a business owner in her 50s, told me, I just wanted to ball. I felt like a failure. I can't even be the wife I want to be. She was working nonstop, barely sleeping, and trying to eat clean, but nothing worked. She'd eat goat cheese, avocado, and chicken fajitas thinking that was making healthy choices. But her saturated fat and sodium went through the roof, over 3,000 milligrams a day. Cottage cheese, protein bars, clean dressings. She had no idea that these were spiking her blood sugar and keeping her menopause belly locked in place. She was on Lasix, and this intensified her cravings. Once we rebalanced just one meal a day, she started sleeping again. Her energy came back, and she got off her Lasix. Menopause belly is not the same as other fat. Hear me out. It's inflammatory, it's metabolic, and it responds to different triggers. Here's where most women unknowingly go wrong. They skip breakfast, which raises cortisol. They fast or push workouts fasted, which stresses adrenals. They eat clean, but they avoid or don't get any fiber, like granola and Greek yogurt. High sodium habits. Even low sodium cottage cheese has as much as 300 or more milligrams of sodium a serving. Healthy fats without balance, like avocado toast or coconut milk smoothies, stacking up saturated fats. Even macro tracking won't help if you're not watching which foods are throwing off your gut health. If you're eating like your partner, following a man's plan, your gut, hormones, and metabolism are not the same. We lose estrogen. We lose insulin sensitivity. We lose sleep. Men don't. This belly needs a full body approach. Have you ever tried following what your spouse or partner was doing and it didn't work for you at all? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear what happened. Here's how we help the gut, blood sugar, and hormones reset. Eat within 60 minutes of waking. We want to lower our cortisol levels, and cortisol levels are at the highest for the day within 60 to 90 minutes of waking up. So we want to start right out of the gate. We want to include smart carbs, which are carbs with fiber, like lentils, sweet potatoes, or berries. We want to watch hidden saturated fats, even in healthy foods like avocados. Want to watch sodium, and don't rely heavily on processed foods and packages or protein bars. The belly fat that forms during menopause holds toxins and inflammation. It raises your risk for dementia, Parkinson's, heart disease, diabetes, and even autoimmune issues. This is not just about how you look. If you've been eating less, working out more, and gaining more belly fat, you are not crazy. Your gut and hormones need different fuel now. This is not about trying harder. It's about getting smarter and shifting how you eat, when you eat, and what your meals are made of. So if you're tired of going in circles, the next step is simple. Book a free 15-minute clarity call using the link in the description. I only offer a few each week. So if this is your moment, you want to grab one now as they book up quickly. You don't have to figure this out alone. You've made it this far. That tells me you're ready to shift. And if you want to see real life experiences of strategies that work just like these for women over 45, you want to watch this next playlist. You've got this, and I'm right here with you every step of the way. And if you found value in this video, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and click the notification so that you get alerts each week to get more information on perimenopause and beyond so you don't have to live on a diet.